Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to select all pixel of the same color in Photoshop. Let's get started. Example, see this logo, go to selection tab, select tab, color range, and example, I select this color, select this color, click OK. And now see this, select this color, deselect this, again select inverse, deselect this color, OK. And another way, select tab, color range, select example white color, OK. Then inverse selection. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.